going to discuss about the history of computer. Let us start. The abacus, the earliest calculating device which is still in use today. It was the first used in China some about 3000 years ago. Second, Napier's bone. In the early 17th century, the Scottish mathematician by name John Napier made a set of rods to do simple mathematical calculation. Numbers were carved in these rods is called bone. Next, slide rule. Napier's invention of the logarithm was soon followed by the invention of the slide rule in 1622. An English mathematician, William Oughtred, combined the principle of logarithm and Napier's bone construct the slide rule. It consists the two scale, one moving over the other. Next, Pascal calculator. Around the year 1640, the general, a great French mathematician Blaise Pascal invented a simple mechanical calculator. It consisted the gears and wheels and registers numbers by the rotating the wheels by 1 to 10 step. This machine was later developed and modified in 1671 by the Gottfried von Leibniz, a German mathematician. Next, Jacquard punch card. Punch card is the just like ATM machine. An ATM card. James Jacquard made a new invention in the weaving industry. It introduced the cardboard card with the hole punch on it to guide the thread to produce the different patterns. Next, Charles Babbage. Around 1812, an English mathematician Charles Babbage successfully developed a machine is called different engine which could solve the algebraic equation quite accurately. Babbage drew up the design for his second machine is called analytical engine or a machine. Charles Babbage is called the father of modern computer. Why? The question arises why the Charles Babbage is called the father of computers, because still today we are using the technology performed by the Charles Babbage. That's why Charles Babbage is the called father of computer. Lady Ada Lovelace, the assisting in Charles Babbage's work. The Lady Ada Lovelace is the brilliant mathematician, the daughter of Lord Byron. One programming language, Ada is named her honor. He was the first programmer. He was also first programmer's daughters. Herman Hollerith, USA. Dr. Herman Hollerith developed the Jacquard's method storing the information on the card to process the 1880 and 90 census in the US. His census machine was more accurate and much faster than the manual labor. Modern age. In 1944, Harvard professor Herbert Elkin completed the first calculating machine that could automatically accept and perform a sequence of the arithmetical operation. Mark I was the first modern computer. Next, the ENIAC. John Maloney and J.P. Eckert first built the first electronic computers in 1946, electronic numerical integrator and calculator, the full form of ENIAC. It used the vacuum tubes and thermonium was invented in 1906 by Lee D. Forest. EDSEC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Computer, is the full form of EDSEC. Built in 1949, the Cambridge University, built by the Eckerts and Maloney in 1950. UNIVAC, Eckert and Maloney formed own company in 1951 and built a UNIVAC. It was the first commercial computer. The question arises, which was the first commercial computer? So UNIVAC is the first commercial computer. Further, I am going to discuss the generation of the computer. The first generation 1945 to 1956 used the vacuum tube and magnetic drum. Vacuum tube and magnetic drum for data use. Second generation computer 1956 to 1963. By the 1948 invention of the transistor greatly changed the computer development. Transistor lead to second generation computer that was smaller, faster and more reliable and more efficient than their predecessor. Third generation, Jack Calvi, the engineer which Texas Instruments developed the integrated circuit IC. In 1958, the IC combined three electronic components into the small silicon disk or chip. Fourth generation 1971 to present. After the IC, only main problem or computer was the large size, which was the reduced some way. Large scale integration LSI could fit hundred of components into one chip. By 1980, very large scale integration VLSI squeezed the hundreds of thousands of components into one chip. Last one is the fifth generation, present and beyond. Define a fifth generation computer is somehow difficult because the field is its infancy. Example of fifth generation computer is Functional Hall 9000 from the authors and Clerky Norval 2001 and analytical engine. It was derived from analytical engine. And artificial intelligence is the best example of fifth generation computer. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.